Hello. Today, let's visit a bakery. Tom wants to buy fresh bread and sweet treats. He talks to the baker, chooses his favorite snacks, and enjoys a warm coffee. This simple story will help you learn useful English for shopping at a bakery. It is a sunny morning. The air smells like fresh bread. Tom walks to the bakery. He wants to buy bread and something sweet. He opens the door. A small bell rings. The bakery is warm and cozy. There are many kinds of bread and cakes in the glass display. Good morning, Tom says. Good morning, the baker says. How can I help you? I want to buy some bread, Tom says. We have many types of bread, the baker says. We have white bread, whole wheat bread, and sourdough bread. I will take 1 loaf of whole wheat bread, Tom says. Good choice, the baker says. He takes a fresh loaf and puts it in a paper bag. Tom looks at the display. There are many sweet treats. Everything looks delicious. Tom says. Yes. We have croissants, muffins, and donuts, the baker says. I like croissants. What flavors do you have? Tom asks. We have plain croissants, chocolate croissants, and almond croissants, the baker says. I love chocolate. I will take 1 chocolate croissant, Tom says. Great choice. Do you want anything else? The baker asks. Yes. I want something for my sister. She loves sweet things, Tom says. Maybe she will like a muffin, the baker says. We have blueberry muffins and banana muffins. Blueberry sounds good. I will take 1 blueberry muffin, Tom says. The baker puts the croissant and muffin in a small box. Would you like a coffee or tea with your food? The baker asks. A coffee sounds nice, Tom says. Okay. Do you want it with milk and sugar? The baker asks. Yes, please. A little milk and some sugar, Tom says. The baker prepares the coffee and hands it to Tom. The smell is warm and rich. Here you go. That will be $8.50, the baker says. Tom takes out his wallet and gives the money. Thank you very much, Tom says. You're welcome. Enjoy your breakfast, the baker says. Tom leaves the bakery with his fresh bread, sweet treats, and hot coffee. He feels happy. It is a good morning.
Thanks for watching. To improve your English listening, watch videos like this every day.